Hey guys, Steven here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing week 15 Supreme item. Week 15 was pretty low-key. There was not much thing that was spectacular and eye-catching. So I actually thought about not getting anything. But I did see the small box logo t-shirt that was dropping. So I don't have any box logo, the classic Supreme box logo shirt. So I decided to go with this mini one. I didn't know if it was going to be competitive or not. Again, it's not like the very classic one, but I figured, hey, why not try it and see if I could unbox for you guys. Now the tee was like 58 bucks, I think, US dollar. It was on the pricier side, but it's pretty much any other Supreme t-shirt. But hopefully the quality and everything is like that is good enough for a $58 t-shirt, the small box logo that we're gonna be getting with it. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what colorway I got. Alright, the package came in this envelope here, so we'll go ahead and open this up. And let's see what sticker I got. I don't think there's gonna be anything special because there was no collab, but let's see. Yep, true box logo. At this point I might as well start giving away these box logo sticker because I have way too many of them. But it came up in this plastic Ziploc bag. I love it. Traditionally they used to have it in like paper cloth, and it didn't have the zip bags, which I really love actually now that I look at it. I know Kith and Palace send it in like these zip bags. Let me bring another t-shirt that I bought from Supreme and show you how it used to come. So I grabbed these three shirts. This is Rama Z, the Supreme Cupid tee. I don't think I ever unboxed or unwrapped this one for you guys on this channel, but this is pretty much still in the plastic bag, and we have the banner tee. But as you can see, it comes in this kind of plastic bag where there's no zip. Once you open it, that's it. There's nothing else you could do, and it's not like a Ziploc bag like this. So it comes like this. It used to come like this, but at least for this one, I don't know what changed, but they came in this Ziploc bag, which is great, and it has a Supreme box logo, similar to how Palace and Kith sends it out. So I love the fact that they got on this. Let's go ahead and open this up and take it out and show you guys. So again, it has a bag with Supreme box logo. It's dope. I love this. I'm so glad they switched over to these kind of style. Alright, and I got size medium as always, and I also got in white colorway. There was other colorways like pink, and I think they also had checkered. I thought about checker one, but I didn't know how I'm gonna be wearing that, so I went with the white one. I know it's gonna get dirty, I know it's gonna be a mistake, but hey, white, red box logo, classic, how can I say no? The quality of the t-shirt is great. I actually did not expect it to be like this, and in fact the Supreme box logo is embroidered in here. So it's not a print, so I love that as well. Supreme on the tag, medium on the thing, half tee, nothing on the back, just plain tee. And I love the fact that it's Supreme box logo, but at the same time it has the embroidery again. This is what worth it for me. $58 for a t-shirt again. So I'm so glad it's not a print. Because when I first saw this, first thing that came to my mind was the Hanes Supreme t-shirt, which came in 3. I don't remember how much it actually cost, but I was wondering why would I get this versus that Hanes t-shirt. And I actually do have it. It's like this. And Hanes Comfort t-shirt, Supreme box logo here. This one doesn't have the Supreme box logo here, but instead it has a Supreme on the bottom left corner. So it's not as visible as the top box logo here. And also this Hanes one is not embroidered, so it's print. So far it's still fine, it's down there. But no one looks, when you're wearing this, no one looks at the Supreme box logo down here, right? It's subtle, and you don't actually know that this Hanes t-shirt is Supreme or not. But this one, I love the fact that it's up here. It's not a print. Quality of the t-shirt, again, is much better than this. I'm so glad I actually got it, because I would definitely rock this for sure. But other than that, there's really nothing more to show you guys on the t-shirt itself. I'll give you guys a closer look as always, and we'll wrap it up.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I you love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.